Let's ditch the distorted disaster and create a Wix video background that looks stunning on every single screen in just a minute and a half. First, in your Wix editor, click on the video background you want to optimize, opening up the video settings panel. Now, this is crucial under layout. Ensure that scale to fill is unchecked. This setting is often the culprit behind stretching and distortion. Next, focus on aspect ratio. I highly recommend using 169 for most widescreen displays. Try this one first, and if your video doesn't fit properly, adjust it to one that does. Time for compression. Large video files kill your site's loading speed. Compress your video before uploading to Wix using a free online tool. Aim for a file size under 10 megabytes for optimal performance. Mobile users are a huge part of your audience, so switch to the mobile editor and make sure your video background still looks great here. You might need to slightly reposition or resize elements to ensure optimal viewing on smaller screens. Under play behavior, consider muting the video by default, unless the sound is absolutely essential. Autoplaying videos with sound can annoy visitors and hurt your site's user experience. By unchecking scale to fill, choosing the right aspect ratio, compressing your video, and optimizing for mobile, you'll transform your Wix video background from a stretched-out eyesore into a visually engaging asset that impresses every visitor, no matter their device.